Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review this cute little box of Fevicryl acrylic paints that I have in my hands, and this is how it opens up. It has a clip-on opening. It comes with this introductory pamphlet. They have given all the color mixes that you can make these colors by using these mixes, and it also has this preface sheet with reference. They are available in 30 shades, but in this pack you only get 10. The other 20 you can get separately from the store or any other combo if they are available in the market. I'll give you the link if I found any other set of colors. Check out the description for more information. Now let's have a look at the colors we get in this set. It's shade number 23 ultramarine blue. It's shade number 4 crimson. Shade number 21 sap green. Shade number 1 burnt sienna. Shade number 17 orange. Shade number 12 light green. Shade number 27 white. Shade number 64 deep brilliant purple. Shade number 11 lemon yellow. Shade number 2 black. These are some of my watercolor paintings that I have done in this sketchbook. I have made all the tutorials for these works. You can anytime watch them on my channel, and if you like them, please subscribe my channel. So let's swatch these colors. You can anytime ask me your questions in the comments below. If you have any query and anything you want to ask me, you can ask me there. I'll definitely respond as early as possible. As per their price, they are pretty good. They have good opacity, good consistency. But if I compare them with Camel Artist acrylic colors, they are a little thinner. The Camel ones have a thick consistency, and these Fevicryl ones are a little thinner than them. Other than that, the colors are very vibrant. They are very good for DIYs. I have used them on painting my phone case, you can watch the video on my channel. In my personal opinion, I may not use them for commissioned artworks. These colors are very good for beginners and the price is also very low. Anyone can afford them and anyone can practice and pursue their hobby. I hope this video has helped you making the choice, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.